Carmenère, 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 Carmenère. The typical French pronunciation, Carmenère, 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 Carmenère. Carmenère is a type of grape variety that originates from France, therefore it is also a type of wine, of varietal wine, but the grape variety is not grown in France virtually all that much, but it has found a new home in the New World in the country of Chile, in particular in South America, where it delivers some dark, deep, dense and full-bodied red wines with typical meaty flavors of plum. A few Bordeaux estates still grow Carmenère, but the grape variety is rather rare now in France. Carmenère, Carmenère.